You are welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Before we go, this film you are watching, look under by the right hand side. You will see where they write SUBSCRIB is subscribe in capital letter. Use your finger just to press. It will now change to subscribe, which means you have subscribed to my channel. Yeah, this is a tutorial on how to fashion out sharpening line, cut down method. Cut down method. If you want to know how to sharpen clipper blade very well, you must have to follow all these kind of tutorials very well. You follow them, you master them, do them the way I am saying it. When you are practicing, you can be able to be getting it right. Cut down method sharpening lines. Cut down method sharpening lines. How can you get it? How can you form it out? Yeah, without having the experience, logic, techniques, how to sharpen clipper blade, you cannot go far on the super hard manual sharpening stone. I am not talking about sharper. Try to take note. I am not talking about sharper. I am talking about super hard manual sharpening stone. It is very, very, very simple to use. Let us go now. You are welcome back again. If you have not subscribed, once again, please subscribe to my channel before we go. If you have subscribed before, it is only once. But this is the first time you are watching the film, or you have been watching my film since you have not subscribed, please subscribe before we go. Yeah, this is a tutorial on how to show cut down sharpening lines. Cut down sharpening lines. Can you see the super hard manual sharpening stone? Can you see the upper and the bottom clipper blade I place on it? Yeah, if you want to position your upper and the bottom clipper blade so that you can be able to get the cut down sharpening lines. Yeah, sharpening of the clipper blade deal with sense. You have to know the way you have to be moving your hand to position your blade. Let us come down to this one now. Can you see? Look at the way I position the upper clipper blade at the angle of 45 degrees. At the angle of 45 degrees, assuming you want to sharpen from first side or to the second side, any side you want to sharpen, you have to be going up and down. Your counting have to be the same with number 1 and number 2. Your counting have to be the same. Can you see it? Your counting have to be the same. The pressure have to be the same. The treatment have to be the same. Then after the sharpening now, you now check the inner part of the upper clipper blade. You can now see the inside, how the sharpening line form inside the inner surface of the upper clipper blade. Yeah, for you to get cut down sharpening lines, cut down method sharpening lines, see the way I position the upper blade at the angle of 45 degrees. Yeah, you will see that the line will form at the angle of 45 degrees inside the inner surface of the upper clipper blade. Yeah, let us go into the bottom clipper blade. Can you see the way I position the bottom clipper blade? Yeah, can you see the way I position it? You can position it in the first way I position it, and at the same time you can position it in this way. All are going to give you the same angle. We are going to use the angle of 0 or 180 degree. 0 or 180 degree for sharpening of the bottom clipper blade. Can you see the way I position it? That is the way. Those are the two ways you can position the bottom clipper blade for you to get the angle of 0 stroke 180 degree in sharpening of the clipper blade. Yeah, now when you have treated your stones, you have put the necessary things, your counting and to and fro are the same, the treatment you put are the same, the pressure are the same. Now after you have finished the sharpening, you are now checking. Can you see the way I'm positioning the pointer? That is how the sharpening line of that angle 0 or 180 degree will be. Will look like it will come across from the left hand side to the right hand side of the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. Can you see it? Whereas for the upper clipper blade, it will form at the angle of 45 degrees. Can you see the direction I'm putting the pointer? That is how the inner surface of the upper clipper blade sharpening line is going to form. Can you see it? But for the bottom clipper blade, can you see the way I position it? That is how the sharpening line is going to form inside the bottom clipper blade surface. Can you see the way I position it? Yeah, Yeah, can you see it? Can you see it? That is the way to position your upper and the bottom clipper blade to get the cut down method sharpening lines. Yeah, can you see it now? Now let us go into the tutorial class. You are welcome back again. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel before we go. Can you see the way in my drawing, see the way I position the upper clipper blade at the angle of 45 degrees? Now look at the way I position the bottom clipper blade at the angle of 90 degrees to form the angle of 0 and 180 degrees. Yeah, can you see cut down method? Cut down method sharpening lines. Yeah, can you see the diagrams? You see the upper clipper blade, the way I position it at the angle of 45 degrees. Can you see the way I position it? Yeah, can you see the way I position the bottom clipper blade? See where I'm circling now. See where I'm touching right now. That is our super hard manual sharpening stone. That is the shape. Can you see it? That is the upper clipper blade at the angle of 45 degrees. That is bottom clipper blade at the angle of 90 degrees to form the angle of 0 and 180 degrees inside the line. Can you see the two? Yeah, can you see after the sharpening now how the sharpening line form inside the upper clipper blade? Can you see it at the angle of 45 degrees? Can you see the direction? Then look at the bottom clipper blade. Can you see the way? Yeah, watch carefully. Watch carefully. Look at the inner surface of the bottom clipper blade. Can you see as the line formed? Can you see it? At the angle of 0 or 180 degrees, you position your upper clipper blade at the angle of 90 degrees. When after sharpening, you now check, it now give you the angle of 0 or 180 degrees. Can you see it now? Look at it very well. See the upper clipper blade compared to the bottom clipper blade at the angle of 45 and the angle of 0 or 180. Can you see it? See the line the bottom clipper blade form. Can you see where I put my pointer? See the upper clipper blade now. See the angle it formed. That is angle of 45 degrees. Can you see it? The second line is at the angle of 0 or 180. Can you see? Cut down. Cut down. That is the stone. That is the shape I have just touched now is stone. This is cut down method. Angle of 45 degrees. You are placing the bottom clipper blade at the angle of 90. After sharpening, when you open it, you now form the angle of 0 and or 180 degrees. Try to take note of that one. After sharpening now, you now put the upper plate on top of the bottom clipper blade for testing. Yeah, it will do well. Once you follow the normal protocol, the normal step you're supposed to follow. Yeah, it will do well. You will achieve better at the end of the day. We are only showing this one. I'm not sharpening now and I'm not testing, but to show you the way you follow the placing of your upper and the bottom clipper blade to give you cut down method sharpening lines. Yeah, can you see it? Very, very interesting. So when you follow this tutorial very well, cut down method, can you see it? Cut down method. The upper clipper blade and the bottom clipper blade. Can you see the angle the upper clipper blade form? Can you see the angle the bottom clipper blade form? That is where the cut down has come out. Cut down method sharpening lines. Can you see? So it will now form inside the upper clipper blade of your machine and the bottom clipper blade of your machine. Can you see it? That is how to follow it step by step and get my style. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you have not subscribed, this is the right time for you to subscribe to be seeing my different type of valuable videos I am producing on the YouTube channel. Yeah, once you subscribe and you press the notification bell, you will be seeing my film from time to time. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos. Subscribe for more videos. Please subscribe to my channel to be seeing my notifications as soon as I release my video to my YouTube channel. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Can you see? Subscribe to my channel. This is the only channel you can get the fact about the sharpening of the clipper blade and the stone. Thank you. See you again.